Well, good night. Just don't go overdosing on those crazy pills tonight, okay? Okay, I will not overdose on those pills. Oh, you need those girl voice pills because your voice is getting deep. Shut your big head up. Oh, don't you smack. Woo, 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 woo. Huh? What was that noise? What is that noise? Put your hand. You stupid. You thought you were the police. You tried to scare me. You go to sleep, you little crybaby. Here's your pills. Splat. Right? But he didn't know there was going to be a tornado that's going to break the roof on top of him and smushing him. Hey, do you guys hear that? Let's get to the shelter. Get under the shelter. Their basement tour. Just a pillow. Huh? What's that noise? Explodes. 2 weeks later. We're at his funeral today to remember the one and only Funtime Freddy. Rest in peace. He died due to a big tort at their funeral. No one attended it. The end.